So my name's Lauren. I'm a pharmacist by trade. And I am a new member to the Committee of Management with HACSU. And I've been a HACSU delegate within our pharmacy department. Of course, I said yes. It's a big honour to be part of the Committee of Management and to be really involved. Make sure that the union is running well and running for the benefit of the members, and making sure that all your union dues are being spent diligently, which is obviously really important to keep not only the union running sustainably, but to make sure that we're all doing things properly. Oh, that's a good question. Well, I suppose I'm a third generation pharmacist. But I've always seen pharmacists as healthcare providers that really help people with their medications and with their health. And quite often, the pharmacist has been like the poor man's doctor. You go to the pharmacist and ask them the question if you can't afford to go to the doctor. So that's sort of the way I was. I grew up in pharmacy and in pharmacies in the community, and then have since worked in the hospital sector since I've qualified. It is a big issue, and across the country there's not enough pharmacists and there's not enough allied health professionals in general for the demand. We are an ageing population. People need more and more medications. And also there are more medications now than there ever have been. Here in Tasmania, the pharmacists don't earn as much here as they do for the same job on the mainland. So that's something big that we've been fighting for. I've got 20 years experience, and then I recently trained up an entry-level pharmacist who then went and got a job in New South Wales that paid more than mine did. So that's been one of our big pushes for, because why would an entry-level pharmacist stay here to work for 20 years to then get the same money that she could just go and get now somewhere else, I mean, the big win has been our market allowance for pharmacists within the Department of Health in Tasmania. We pushed for an extra $10,000 to be added to our base rate of pay to bring us closer in line to what similar jobs earn on the mainland. And that's a huge win, particularly because we did it as a flat rate, which means the people on lower wages actually get a bigger percentage uplift. So I think that that's really important. So that's been a big win. It was huge. And it was obviously inadvertent, but it did affect people considerably. And it did amount to wage theft. So we did a lot of work around that to make sure that people received their appropriate money. I have got 3 children, so I'm a mum, and I am also a part-time photographer. So I do photography in all my spare time.